So how to make videos side by side. So this is our first video and this is our second video. So all we have to do is to take this second video up on this first one. So let's adjust this, close this. Alright, so the next thing to do is to come to this your effect and search for crop. You drag and drop your crop on your video clip, this one here. Then you click on it and you come to your effect control here, and we'll have to change the value of the left and the right. Yeah, so probably we can put it at 30 and right 30. So what we'll have to do next is to come to the position here and drag it down to the left, or you can actually like increase the scale to make sure that it fits. Yep, and you can come to this one, so this other clip, and yeah, adjust it down to the right. So after you put the video side by side and you decided that you actually want to put a line to actually show the split, what you have to do is to come to your rectangle tool here and draw a large line. Yeah, so you can draw the line, then you can come here and come to your motion and adjust it, do some adjustments to the place you want it to be. Come here, change the color. You might decide to put red or whatever to show that there's a demarcation. Whoop. You might decide to put red or any color just to show that there's a demarcation. So yeah, drag this to the length of the video and to the beginning length and to the end of the video. So yes, let's play it and see.